Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to fix if you cannot log into your Roblox account. Okay, so I have a different method for you to do in order to fix that problem. But before anything else, so make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave a like, okay? So to begin, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your web browser and then type out roblox.com and then just log into your account. But because you forget your password or your username, you can now then tap on the forget password or username, and then you will have to enter your email to reset your password. So when you type out your email here, a code will be sent to you, and then you will just have to use that in order to reset your password. And then if you forget your email, you can also use your phone number to reset your password and then select the country. Okay, so for example, Philippines, and then just type out here your phone number. And then a code will be sent to you, and then you will have to use that in order to reset your password. If it's still not gonna work, let's proceed to our next method. Okay, so we're going to open our web browser and then click on new tab and then use the search bar to search for Roblox server status. Okay, so we're just going to click on this website to check if all of the systems are operational. So as you can see, all of the systems are operational, so there isn't any problem regarding the server. So if we can see a sign that there is an error regarding the system, so you will just have to wait for the Roblox system to fix that problem. Now, the next method that we can do is to open our web browser again, and then we are going to clear the data and the cache of this web of our browser. So just navigate to the three dots at the top right corner and then go to the privacy and security and then click on clear browsing data. Okay, so you'll just have to clear all of the data of this browser. So right after that, you can try logging into your Roblox account. But if it's still not gonna work, let's proceed to our next method. So the last method that we're going to check is to check our VPN. So to do this, just navigate to the search bar at the bottom and then type out the VPN. Okay, so it is very important to check your VPN if you're using it because we all know that there is a big possibility that it might be the cause of the interference of your internet connection. So you will just then to disconnect your VPN if you're connected to it. And then right after that, just try logging into your Roblox account. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.